Welcome to the installation guide for the WT102 Smart Radiator Thermostat. In this video, we will walk you through the device installation and accessory setup. Let's unbox the WT102. Standard accessories include the device, anti-theft clip, manual and warranty card. For specific needs, we offer optional protection shells, external NTC sensor, and customized metal adapters. First, check your radiator valve. WT102 is natively compatible with standard M31.5mm fitting. Simply screw it on clockwise to finish the installation. 4 other valve types, custom adapters are available. Contact your sales representative for the one that fits your needs. Select the metal adapter of the corresponding specification, then screw it onto the valve and tighten it. Rotate the device clockwise to secure it onto the adapter. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to power on. The device will automatically initiate valve stroke calibration to adapt to your valve's travel. With the device installed, we'll now introduce some accessories to handle different environments and use cases. The WT102 comes standard with an anti-theft ring to prevent unauthorized removal. Simply place the anti-theft clip over the connecting nut and secure it with a screw. Additionally, we offer an optional protective cover to prevent tampering and theft. Place the cover onto the device, then secure it with a screw. If the radiator is obstructed by a cover, use the external NTC sensor for accurate room temperature readings. Pull out the dust plug, plug the NTC sensor into the Type-C port, and position it outside the decorative cover. In the Milesight Toolbox app, switch the ambient temperature source to USB-C NTC. Use the WT401 to monitor temperature and control your WT102 without removing the protective cover. The WT102 also supports an external power supply. When power is low after summer or during early heating stages, use USB-C for instant charging. Pull out the dust plug and plug in the USB-C cable to power it up. These are all the key installation points for the WT102. Thank you for watching.